The last class we have started exercise 7C, reduction formulas we are dealing. Exercise 7C, 4 problems from second Roman we have completed. So let us do the 6th problem onwards. Integral 3 to 7 square root of 7 minus x by x minus 3 dx. So for this kind of problems we have experienced in the indefinite integration, a minus x by b minus x. So we have integration of the form plus b, okay, ax plus b. So linear expression by quadratic expression. So then we have done that linear expression is equals to a into d by dx of quadratic expression plus b. So like this we have done. So in the same way we will do this problem. Okay, for this to become a minus a plus bx by px square plus qx plus r, what do we do is 3 to 7 square root of 7 minus x by x minus 3 into 7 minus x by 7 minus x. I will multiply and divide by the numerator 7 minus x. Okay, then let us see what will happen. So 3 to 7 square root of 7 minus x into 7 minus x is 7 minus x whole square. Now x into 7, 7x, x into minus x square, minus 3 7s are 21, minus into minus plus 3x dx. This is equals to integral 3 to 7. So square root gets cancelled, 7 minus x by square root of minus x square, 7x plus 3x is 10x, minus 21 dx. This is equals to 3 to 7, 7 minus x by square root of, okay, from this onwards, linear expression 7 minus x is equals to a into d by dx of quadratic expression minus x square plus 10x minus 21 plus b. A into d by dx of minus x square is minus 2x, d by dx of 10x is 10 plus b. 7 minus x is equals to. Now comparing coefficient of x on both sides. So here x quotient is minus 1 is equals to, here x quotient is, this is if you multiply as a whole, minus 2ax. So x quotient is minus 2a. Minus minus gets cancelled. So a is equals to half we are getting. And comparing constants on both sides, then we are getting 7 is equals to, this is 10a plus b, 10a plus b, that implies 7 is equals to 10 into a is 1 by 2, 10 by 2, so 5 plus b. Therefore b is equals to 7 minus 5, which is 2. Therefore this is equals to 7 minus x is equals to, what is a? A is 1 by 2 into minus 2x plus 10 plus the value of b is 2. So that implies integral 3 to 7, 7 minus x is 1 by 2 into minus 2x plus 10 plus 2. What is 7 minus x? 7 minus x is 1 by 2 into minus 2x plus 10 plus 2 by square root of same minus x square plus 10x minus 21 dx. This is equals to, so this is equals to integral 3 to 7 1 by 2. See this, a plus b by c, a by c plus b by c. 1 by 2 I'm separating from the process of integration. Minus 2x plus 10 by square root of minus x square plus 10x minus 21 dx plus 3 to 7 2. I'm separating it from the process of integration. 1 by square root of minus x square plus 10x minus 21. This is dx. So that is equals to 1 by 2. This is minus x square plus 10x minus 21. Minus x square derivative is minus 2x. 10x derivative is 10. Minus 21 derivative is 0. So this is f of x under root. This is its derivative. So f dash x by root f of x. 2 root f of x. 2 root of minus x square plus 10x minus 21. Since the process of integration is over, so as usual we have to apply the, write the limits here, plus 2 into 3 to 7 1 by square root of, this is a pure quadratic expression. So we know how to deal this quadratic expression. How? Completion of square method. A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So for which x square symbol, the sign of x square should be positive. If minus is there, minus is to be taken common. Then it will be plus. Point number 1. X square quotient is should be 1. So luckily here x square quotient is 1 only. If 2x square is there, 2 is to be taken common and we have to proceed. So minus, if I take common, then x square minus 10x, x square minus 10x plus 21 dx. Since the process of integration is over here, let us apply the limits. That is equals to square root of minus 7 square minus 49 plus 10 sevens are 70 minus 21. This is upper limit minus lower limit square root of minus 3 square minus 9, 10 threes are 30 minus 21 plus 2 into 3 to 7 1 by. So this is minus, this I am trying to write in a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square, for which x square can be written as x whole square minus, since x is a, 2ab, 10x has to be written as 2ab. So 2 into x into 5, 2ab. So this is 10x, a square minus 2ab. So to become this to become this as a minus b whole square, 5 square I want, because a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 5 square I want. Since 5 square is being added from our side, we need to subtract it also. And plus 21 is as usual. This is all in the root itself. Now listen. So minus 49 minus 21 is plus 70. Minus 70 plus 70, this is 0. Minus 9 minus 21 is minus 30 plus 30. So this is all 0. Simply 1 0 I'll write here. Plus 2 integral 3 to 7 1 by square root of minus, now listen, a square minus 2ab plus b square as a whole can be written as x minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 square is 25 plus 21 dx. This is equals to 2, 3 to 7, 1 by square root of minus 25 plus 21. This is x minus 5 whole square. Minus 25 plus 21 is minus 4. Minus 4 can be written as minus 2 whole square dx. This is equals to 2, 3 to 7, 1 by square root of minus into minus plus, so 2 square minus x minus 5 whole square dx. This is of the form integral 1 by root of a square minus x square. So this is 1 by root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a. So 2 into sine inverse x minus 5 by 2. Since the process of integration is over, so 3 to 7 is to be written here. Since integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equals to sine inverse x by a plus c. So that's why I have substituted like this. So 2 into sine inverse, substitute x as 7, upper limit. 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, minus sine inverse, substitute up lower limit. 3 minus 5 minus 2 by 2, so minus 1. That is equals to 2 sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus sine inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 2. This is equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 2 pi by 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. I left with 2 pi. Here 2 to 6, 6 minus x into x minus 2 dx. This is by all respect the similar kind of problem. So you need to multiply this. Then we are getting ax square plus bx plus c, one quadratic expression under root. So how do we do this? How did we do the last problem? The same, completion of square method. It will be converted either in a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Otherwise, the another alternative is also there. So which we have discussed in exercise 7b, third Roman, second question, which is integral a to b square root of x minus a into b minus x dx. So where we have taken x is equals to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. So a cos square theta plus b sin square theta we have substituted, and then the problem came. Okay, in this way also we can do. This is another alternative. So since the last problem we have discussed through the process of completion of square method, let us do this problem in the alternative method, which is this. Let x is equals to a minus x b x minus b, a minus x into x minus b. So we have treated it to be a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. So here a value is 6, so therefore it is 6 cos square theta plus b value is 2 sin square theta. So if you remember this, then the problem will be very easier. So this is dx derivative is equals to 6 into, this is cos theta whole square. Cos theta is x, if you take x square derivative is 2x, so 2 cos theta into cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, so minus sin theta plus 2 into sin theta whole square. X square derivative is 2x, so 2 sin theta into sin theta derivative is cos theta whole d theta. So that is minus 6 twos are minus 12 cos theta sin theta, 2 twos are 4 sin theta cos theta, minus 12 plus 4 minus 8 sin theta cos theta d theta. This is dx. Now what is now we have to change the limits also. No, upper limit 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta is equals to 6. Then 6 cos square theta, otherwise this is 2 sin square theta is equals to 6 minus 6 cos square theta. This is equals to 2 sin square theta is equals to 6 into 1 minus cos square theta, 6 sin square theta. So this is 6 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is 4 sin square theta. If 4 sin square theta is 0, theta is equals to 0 degrees. So upper limit has been changed into 0 degrees. Now lower limit. So x is taken as 2 now. So 2 is equals to 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. Then 2 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 sin square theta. Take 2 in common, 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta is equals to 6 cos square theta. This is equals to 6 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta equals to 0. If 4 cos square theta equals to 0, cos square theta equals to 0 by 4, 0. So cos square theta is 0, theta is equals to pi by 2. Therefore, and not only this, what is 6 minus x? 6 minus x is 6 minus of 6 cos square theta. 6 minus of 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. 6 minus 6 cos square theta. 6 if you take common. 6 into 1 minus cos square theta. 6. How much is this? 6 into 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So 6 sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta, which is, this is 8 sin square theta. And what is x minus 2? Now 6 into 1 minus 6 cos square theta. 6 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. 6 minus 2 is 4 sin square theta. Okay. And x minus 2 is 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 2. So 6 into, this is 6 cos square theta. Take 2 in common. Sin square theta minus 1. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Sin square theta minus 1 is minus cos square theta. So 6 minus 2 cos square theta is 4 cos square theta. Therefore, the total, this becomes 2 to 6 is, 2 to 6 is lower limit pi by 2. This is pi by 2. 2 6 is upper limit is 0. Square root of 6 minus x is 4 sin square theta. Next, x minus 2 is 4 cos square theta into dx value is minus 8 sin theta into cos theta dt. So this is, here minus we have integral a to b f of x dx equals to integral minus b to a f of x dx. If you want to remove this minus, we need to interchange the limits. So this is 0 to pi by 2. So This is 8 sin theta. So this minus is no more then. Okay. So 4 into 4, root 16 under root, that is 4. 4 8s are 32. Since these are the constants, we are removing from the process of integration. We are separating from the process of integration. So here sin square theta, cos square theta. So square root gets cancelled. Sin theta, square root. So sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. This is sin square theta into cos square theta d theta. So here m comma n are even. Then so integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 etc. Under reduction is not possible. Into the second part is m minus 1 by m minus 3 by m minus 2. Since m is even, so 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So if you want to know the previous term, how much is it? So that is 1 by m plus 2. So let us see this now. So 32 is already there into n minus 1. N is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 plus 2, 4. Further reduction is not possible, and let us check. So directly we came to this part. M is 2, 2 plus 2. Okay. M minus 1. M minus 1 is 1 by m minus 1. 2 minus 1 by 2 into. So this part we got right now. Okay. Into pi by 2. Now. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 2s 32. So this is 2 pi. The next problem is integral 0 to pi by 2 tan power 5x into cos power 8x dx. So 0 to pi by 2 tan power 5x is sin power 5x by cos power 5x into cos power 8x dx. This is cos cube x dx. This is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x into cos cube x dx. Here n is equals to 3, which is odd. If n is odd, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 etc. 2 by m plus 3 into 1 by m plus 1. So simply substitute in this. What is n? 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 plus 5, 8. Since the further reduction by 2 is not possible, and let us check here. So 2 by m plus 3 is m is 5 plus 3. So that means it is started from this. What is the next term of this? 1 by m plus 1. 1 by m is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 2 3s are 6. 1 by 8 4s are 24. The next question is integral 0 to 1 x power 7 by 2 1 minus x whole power 5 by 2 dx. So this kind of problems we have done earlier also. So if it is 1 minus x, this x is to be taken as 1 sin square theta. If 2 minus x is there, x is to be taken as 2 sin square theta. If it is 3 minus x is there, x is taken to be 3 sin square theta. So x is there, square theta we have to take. And what are the next thing? So that is 4 minus x square is there. Then here x is equals to 2 sine theta. If square is there, square is to be avoided. So if no square is there, square has to be taken because 4 is 2 square, na? So that is why 2 sine theta. Otherwise 16x square is there. So 16 is 4 square minus x square. Therefore x is equals to 4 sine theta is to be taken. And 64 minus x square is there. So 64 is, this is 8 square. So x is equals to 8 sine theta and so on. This is how we have to take. Okay. Now let us continue the question. So let us continue. Let x is equals to sine square theta. Dx is equals to sine square theta is sine theta whole square. Sine theta is to be taken as x square derivative is 2x. So 2 sine theta into, since sine theta is taken as x's derivative is, so sine theta derivative is cos theta d theta. Now we have to change the limits also. Upper limit sine square theta is equals to 1. So theta is equals to 90 degrees. Lower limit sine square theta is equals to 0. Then theta is equals to 0 degrees. So 0 to 1 has become 0 to pi by 2. X is sine square theta whole power 7 by 2 into 1 minus x is sine square theta whole power 5 by 2. Dx is 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. So this is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Square and root gets cancelled. Sine power 7 theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta whole power 5 by 2. Square root gets cancelled. So this is 2 sine theta into cos theta d theta. Since 2 is the constant is to be separated from the process of integration. 0 to pi by 2. Sine power 7 theta into sine theta. So sine power 8 theta into cos power 5 theta into cos theta. So cos power 6 theta d theta. Now here if m comma n are even, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to n minus 1 by n plus n minus 3 by n plus n minus 2, etc. This is first part into, what is the second part? M minus, what is this first part I am telling you? This is as long as the numerator gets 2 or 1, and if further reduction is not possible, then we need to start the second part. What is the second part? M minus 1 by m minus 3 by m minus 2. Since m is even, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Same, etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. If you want the previous term, can you say 1 by this is m plus 2. So no need to remember this. So while solving, we will get it. This is equals to 2 is there. Next n minus 1. N value is, this is n, this is m, and this is n. N minus 1. So cos power is always treated to be n, and sine power is always treated to be m. So n minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5 by 8 plus 6 14 So reduce 3 by 12. Further reduction is possible 1 by 10. Since further reduction is not possible and you just have to compare with this m plus 2. What is m? 8 plus 2, 10. That means, so we have reached to this into, what is the second part? M minus 1. M is 8. 8 minus 1, 7 by 8. Further reduction is possible. So this is 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. If 1 by 2 is there, pi by 2 is with pi by 2 we need to finish. Now see this. This is equals to 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Next, this 2 gets cancelled, and that's it. So whatever that is left with will be the final answer. And 7 2s are 14. That's it. So 5 by 5 into 3 also. So this is into 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. This is into 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12. So this 4 times, and that's it. So 5 pi by, we are left with 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 4s 256 into 8. 2048 whole cube dx. So before this we knew 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? If it is 2 theta, 2 theta by 2, it is half in the RHS. If it is theta, theta is half. So 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta would be 2 sin square theta by 2. Likewise. Okay. Now, integral 0 to pi, 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 4 power 3 into dx. So it will be 2 cube 8, 0 to pi, cos square x by 2 whole cube. So a power m whole power n, a power mn, cos power 2 3s are 6, x by 2 dx. So we are only concerned about integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6 x, but not x by 2. So that is why let us take the substitution. Let x by 2 equals to t. So this is x equals to 2t. So therefore dx is equals to 2 dt. Okay. And now we have to change the limits also. Upper limit is equals to t is equals to x is pi by 2. So t equals to pi by 2 upper limit. Lower limit t is equals to 0 by 2. 0. So therefore 8 into 0 to pi has become 0 to pi by 2. So cos power 6 x by 2 is t into dx value is 2 dt. So this is equals to 2 8s are 16 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6 cos power 16 dt. So we have the formula. We have integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx is n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. Since n is even, so 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So that is why 16 into, now this is n value is 6. 6 minus 1, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. See, remembering first 5 by 6 is important. So 5 by 6, n minus 1 by m plus n. So from next onwards, we no need to remember this anymore. All that we need to do is just to reduce the successive factors both on the numerator as well as denominator by 2. So 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4. So 3 by 4. Further reduction is possible or not? Of course. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So if we get 1 by 2, the next immediate term will be pi by 2. No. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16, 16 gets cancelled. So this is 3 2s are. So 5 pi by 2 is the final answer. Integral 4 to 9 dx by 9 minus x into x minus 4. So we can proceed this like what we have done the previous problem, which is x is equals to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. X equals to 9 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta. If you want, if you think that it is the cumbersome method, then actually a normal method also you can prefer. Solution: integral 4 to 9. So dx by, you just multiply 9 into x, 9x, minus 9 4 the 36, minus x into x, x square, minus into minus plus, so 4x. This is equals to 4 to 9 dx by square root of minus x square, 9x plus 4x is 13x, minus 36. This is equals to integral 4 to 9 dx by, take minus in common, so x square minus 13x minus 36 dx. So this is equals to 4 to 9 dx by square root of minus, so a minus b whole square we need to convert. So you no need to go in a systematic way, traditional way. Okay. So all you need to do is, if x square is there, you write here x. If minus is there, minus o you write. If it is plus 13x, same plus you write. So the quotient of x is 13. Half of that, 13 by 2, complete the square like this, minus whatever 13 by 2 we have here, you have to square, you have to make a square of it. 13 square is 169 by 2 square is 4 minus 36. So this is equals to, so if I take a minus here, this minus becomes plus 36. So this is plus 36. Okay, now. So 4 to 9 dx by square root of minus, see here x square plus 26x is there. X square is x minus plus 26x is there. Plus, if it is plus here, same plus you write. So 26 is there. Half of 26 is 13 you write. Complete the square. Here always minus will come. So here since 13 you have written, 13 square is 169. Here whatever the number plus 36 is there, you need to write it as it is. So this is the shortcut. Otherwise you may even prefer for x whole square minus 2 into x into 13 by 2. So this is a square minus 2ab. B is 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 2 whole square plus 36. Likewise, you have to do. Otherwise, I'm again telling you x square, x you write. Here, if minus is there, same minus you have to write. So here, quotient of x is half is 13 by 2 you have to write, complete the square, minus outside every time minus will come. But here, if it is minus, minus will come. If it is plus here, plus will come. So 13 by 2 whole square is 169 by 4 plus 36 is as usual. Now, x minus 13 by 2 whole square minus, see this here, 436, 120, 144 minus 169. 169 plus 144 by 4. How much is this? Minus 169 plus 144 minus 25 by 4. Okay? This is equals to integral 4 to 9 dx by square root of 25 by 4 can be written as 5 by 2 whole square also. 5 by 2 whole square. Now, since minus has taken common, this time you multiply with a minus inside. So, minus into minus plus. So, 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 13 by 2 whole square. This is integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. So, we have 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is sine inverse x by a plus c. Similarly here, sine inverse x is as a whole x minus 13 by 2 by a 5 by 2. Since the process of integration is over, 4 to 9 is to be written here. So sine inverse of this is 2x minus 13 by 2, 5 by 2. So by 5, 2 gets cancelled. So 4 to 9. Now you substitute the limits. Sine inverse of 1 by 5 into, substitute the upper limit. 2 9s are 18 minus 13. So this is 5 minus sine inverse of lower limit 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 2 4s are 18, 2 4s are 8 minus 13. So this is minus 5. So 5 gets cancelled, 5 gets cancelled. Sine inverse of 1 is 5 by 2 minus sine inverse of minus 1 is minus 5 by 2. Minus of minus plus 5 by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. Integral 0 to 5 x square into root of 5 minus x whole power 7 dx. Can you imagine what is to be taken as x? X is there, in square terms we need to take, and that means sine square theta we have to take, and associated with which quotient? 2 sine square theta, 3 sine square theta, 4 sine square theta, what? So this 5 will says that. This 5 will give that hint. So therefore, let x is equals to 5 sine square theta will take. Then dx is equals to 5. Sine square theta is sine theta whole square. X square derivative is 2x. So 2 sine theta into d by d theta of sine theta is cos theta d theta. So this is 5 2s are 10 sine theta cos theta d theta. So we need to change the limits. Upper limit 5 sine square theta is equals to 5. Then theta is equals to 5 gets cancelled. Sine square theta is 1. Theta is equals to pi by 2. Lower limit 5 sine square theta is equals to 0. Then theta is equals to 0. So this is equals to 0 to 5 is 0 to pi by 2. So x square is 5 sin theta whole square. 5 sin square theta whole square into square root of 5 minus what is x? 5 sin square theta whole power 7 into dx value is 10 sin theta cos theta d theta. This is equals to 0 to pi by 2. 5 square 25 sin square whole square is sin power 4 theta into so square root of 5 if you take common 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. So 5 cos square theta whole power 7 into 10 sin theta cos theta d theta. This is equals to 0 to pi by 2. This is 25. I am separating from the process of integration. This is 5 root 5 whole power 7 is 5 power 7 by 2. 5 power 7 by 2 into this is 10. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 theta. This is cos square theta. Square root gets cancelled. I am left with cos power 7 theta into sin theta cos theta d theta. So this is equals to 25 is 5 square into 5 power 7 by 2 into 10 is 5 into 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 into sin. So sin power 5 theta into cos power 8 theta d theta. So this is 5 power 2, this is 1. So 5 power 2 plus 1, 3 plus 7 by 2. So this is totally 5 power 13 by 2. This and this into 2 integral. So here see this, n is even, m is odd. That is n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 etc. into the second part of it is m minus 1 by m. Since m is odd, m minus 3 by m minus 2 etc. 2 by 3 into 1. This is equals to 5 power 13 by 2 into 2 n minus 1. N value is, this is n and this is m. N minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7 by 8 plus 5 is 13. So reduce by 2, 5 by 11. Further reduction is possible. So this is 3 by 9. Further reduction is possible, 1 by 7. And check this with the previous term. What is the previous term of this? 1 by m plus 2. M is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes. And the second part is to be started with m minus 1. Since the further reduction is not possible, and the second part is m minus 1. M is 5 minus 1. 4 by how much? 4 by 5. Further reduction 2 by 3. If 2 by 3 we get into 1. This is equals to 5 power 13 by 2 into 2 is equal into, now this is 3 gets cancelled, 5 gets cancelled, and 7 gets cancelled. So that's it. So here 5 power 13 by 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 by this 13 into 11, 11 9s are 99, 99 into 13. So that is 1287. Last question from the exercise 7C. So 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos x whole power 5, 1 minus cos x whole power 3 dx. So 0 to 2 pi, already we know 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 whole power 5 into, this is 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 whole power 3 dx. This is equals to 0 to 2 pi 2 power 5 into 2 cube. This is 2 power 8 into, so this is cos power 2 5s are 10 x by 2 into sin power 2 cube 2 into 3 6 x by 2 dx. So it is not in the regular 0 to pi by 2 fashion, and the cos power n x and sin power n x dx. Instead it is x by 2 is here. So let us take the suitable substitution. Let x by 2 is equals to t, then x is equals to 2t. Since x is the function of t, t is independent variable and x is dependent variable, dependent on, x is depending on t. So d by dt of x is equals to d by dt of 2t. d by dt of x is dx by dt is equals to d by dt of, so 2 into d by dt of t is 1. Therefore dx is equals to 2 dt. Directly I am writing dx is equals to 2 dt, but if you want to know, this is the process behind. Now this is the function of x. 0 to 2 pi are also the function, the limits of x. X is the variable of integration. This x we are changing into t, which is the new variable of integration. For this new variable of integration t, we have to change the limits. Upper limit is 2t is equals to, x value is 2 pi. So 2 gets cancelled. T is equals to pi. Lower limit 2t is equals to 0. Therefore t is equals to 0. Therefore the given question is 0 to 2 pi, that is equals to 2 power 8 integral 0 to 2 pi is 0 to pi cos power 10 x by 2 is t into sin power 6 x by 2 is t, dx value is 2 dt. This is equals to 2 power 8 into 2 is 2 power 9, 0 to pi cos power 10t into sin power 6t dt. 2 power 9 into, since this is not the regular 0 to pi by 2 interval, so we have to convert it. How? Through the suitable properties. So we have integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 2 integral 0 to a by 2 f of x dx if f of a minus x is equals to f of x, and the same value is 0 if f of upper limit minus x is equals to minus f of x. For this, let us take let f of t is equals to, since this is in the form of t, so f of t I'll take cos power 10t into sin power 6t. So now f of upper limit pi minus t is equals to cos power 10 into pi minus t sin power 6 of pi minus t. Okay, so this is cos 180 minus x is minus cos, but even power makes plus only. So cos power 10 t into sin 180 minus x, sin x only whole power 6, so sin 60. So this is f of t. Therefore it follows f of a minus x equals to f of x. Then 0 to a is equals to 2 integral 0 to a by 2. So that is equals to 2 power 9 into 0 to pi is 2 into 0 to pi by 2 according to this property. 0 to a by 2, 0 to pi, half of it is 0 to pi by 2, 2 will come forward into cos power 10t into sin power 6t dt. So this is 2 power 10 into, here m comma n are even, n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. into the second is m minus 1 by m, m minus 3 by m minus 2, etc. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So if you want to know the previous term, how much is this? 1 by m plus 2. So in this we will write 2 power 10 into n value is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 by 10 plus 6 is 16 into, further reduction is possible, 7 by 14. Next, further reduction is possible, 5 by 12. Next, 3 by 10, 1 by 8. So further reduction is not possible. That means we have reached to this. So what is 1 by m plus 2? M is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 into, the second part starts from m minus 1. M is 6. This is m and this is n. So m minus 1 means 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. Further reduction is possible, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. So here, if you solve this, do this, we will be getting 45 by 64.